we have the boundary. So from that side to this other end shows, from that side to this other end, that's our land. Going down to those trees down there. And as you can see, we have planted bananas, we have napier grass, so we don't need to go and buy napier grass for the cows. We have pumpkins, grown potatoes, and beans just down there. And at the end, at the extreme end, there is a small river, a very small river running across, and that's where we have planted most of the vegetables, the kale, spinach, for the use at the home.